बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा।
नहीं मजा आया।
बड़ा हलीम।
नाइस नाइस नाइस। Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alfia
And this is Mevish.
and
Ramzan Mubarak.
This year we wanted to actually do something different. We've never done this before. In fact, हम हमारे normal Ramzan days में भी कभी बाहर का खाना नहीं मंगाते हैं because you guys know that my mom loves cooking and we love hogging, so हमारा सब कुछ घर पे ही बनता है. But this year we actually thought, why not order iftar boxes from different restaurants of Bombay. They're all big guys when it comes to like Mughlai food, Muslim food, Middle Eastern food, and we have
Feroz Biryani, Beirut, Persian Darbar and Shalimar.
now we've actually tried all of these restaurants. कभी हम फैमिली के साथ गए, कभी उन्होंने हमें खाना भेजा है, but we've never actually tried their iftar boxes, and we're going from the cheapest to the most expensive one, so you can probably see which one is the best. We'll actually rate the best iftar box at the end. So if you're interested to watch us hog and just dig in and actually watch an iftar mukbang, keep on watching. The cheapest iftar box is actually from
Shalimar.
We have had their food before with like our family and कभी उनका इफ्तार बॉक्स ट्राई नहीं किया है. This actually came with a bunch of things. सबसे पहले मुझे दिख रहा है एक बोल ऑफ फ्रूट्स दिया है उन्होंने, काफ़ी सारे तलन के आइटम्स है, एक चिकन लॉलीपॉप दिया है, 3 टाइप के ग्रिल चिकन दिए है, लाइक एक ग्रीन है, एक वाइट है और एक रेड, द क्लासिक. और ये दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई एम एक्साइटेड टू ट्राई. ये मुझे लग रहा है कि ये रोल होगा, बैदा रोल टाइप्स, एंड एक स्ट्रिप दिया है उन्होंने चिकन
साटे का.
क्रिस्पी.
साटे.
आई थिंक सो. नो, इट्स अ चिकन क्रिस्पी वाइब.
तुम बताओ कि ये चिकन क्रिस्पी है कि चिकन
Oh
साटे
yeah,
है.
it's come with a dandi, so technically it's chicken satay, but उसका जो मसाला है, I think it's very chicken crispy.
क्रिस्पी टाइप्स.
And
Cutlet.
Oh yeah, there is also one cutlet inside, and we
Firni.
finally have firni. भाई मैं इसको बहुत टाइम बाद देख रही हूँ. I think it's been a while. So what we're gonna do is बस first impressions करने वाले, क्योंकि बहुत खाना है, हम we can't really fill our stomachs. We're gonna avoid the fruits, right?
ये फंस गया सी है.
हाँ
But
ठीक है.
fruits में क्या review करेंगे?
हाँ फ्रूट्स में कुछ रिव्यू नहीं करेंगे बट मैं खा लूंगी, कोई बात.
Let's start with this chicken satay maybe. Very typical chicken crispy vibe, है ना? Okay, I'm breaking the cutlet. इसको बहुत पसंद है रशियन कट. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि शालीमार का खाना is just like
typical
Muslim food. Yeah, it just hits right. Cheers. You know, there's some weird aroma in this, na?
I think मसाले का स्मेल है. It's not the classic Russian cutlet that we usually eat. वैसा नहीं है. It's
मजा नहीं
bad.
आया. It's bad. We're going in with chicken lollipop. Nice. I'm from here, वहाँ पे तो पूरा covering है. So,
Okay. तुझे क्या लगता है कितने का होगा ये इफ्तार बॉक्स?
I think it's giving me like 700, 800 vibe.
Close. It's almost like 530. So I think
I think
530 में
530 is not bad, but let's first try the roll and then maybe judge because अभी तक के मेरे को वो कटलेट इतना पसंद नहीं आया. अरे it's a proper spring roll.
स्प्रिंग रोल बैठे के अंदर क्यों है?
चाइनीज का मसाला विद बैदा क्यों दिया हुआ है? That's very weird. It's not bad.
It's not bad. I like it, but it's killing the Bella roll vibes, bro.
Yeah, it is. मतलब ऐसे लग रहा है कि so it's basically a fusion that's not hitting well. It's not bad at all, but I feel like the OG Beda roll with proper bhuna masala is something that I personally prefer more.
Plus इसमें कुछ taste भी है अलग सा. So
Is
not
it?
sure.
Okay, I think we're done. Okay, we have these kebabs left. हरा
मैं
वाला.
दूसरा वाला खाती हूँ, मलाई टिक्का. Nice.
Nice. Not bad.
You can't go wrong with
You
this.
can't
bro.
go wrong. मतलब इसमें कुछ गलत हो ही नहीं सकता. But ठीक है.
Yeah.
अच्छा. एक रेड वाला भी आया था, द तंदूरी बेसिक टिक्का. We are so hungry, we're not even waiting because हमने अपना रोजा खोला है with just water and date, and then now we're just literally feasting.
The tikkas were nice. Lollipop, maybe you can't go wrong with lollipop. But the things were a little.
हाँ, मतलब रोल और कबाब में इतना मज़ा नहीं आया मुझे. ये चीज़ें अच्छी थी, but I don't know, it's giving very रोड साइड रेस्टोरेंट वाइब. मतलब शालीमार इज नॉट दैट चीप एज अ रेस्टोरेंट.
शालीमार का क्वालिटी नहीं है. आई थिंक वी एक्सपेक्टेड बेटर.
या आई थिंक क्वालिटी वाइज थोड़ा सा कॉम्प्रोमाइज लग रहा है मुझे ये इफ्तार बॉक्स. बट आई मे बी दे आर ट्राइंग टू फिट इन द बजट ऑफ 530.
या
व्हाटएवर. Wow.
It's taking me back to our old days.
Yeah, it's taking me back to our childhood, honestly. We used to have so much of this, and I can't have too much of this.
Bro,
right
who's
now.
gonna love this? It's going to be.
It's so nostalgic. It's perfect. The firni is just great. I think, yeah, good that we ended with this because I'm totally disappointed. The.
Yeah.
I think not bad. I would say it was like a decent iftar box for me.
I'm not really sure if I'll be calling for this again because I understand the price point is lower, but I would not compromise on food when I'm hungry. मतलब मैं भूख में मुझे खराब खाना नहीं चाहिए. I might just pay a little more and just get something
more
better.
good quality kind of food. I agree to this. I think I would personally give it like a 3 on 5.
Yeah, I was going to say 4 on 10, but I think 3 on 5 is fair. Yeah. मतलब मैं genuinely इतनी impressed नहीं हूँ with the food because I expected better from Shalimar. Since a sad start, but I am sure it's going to get better with time. So
Let's go.
get ready. Next up we have Persian Darbar. The iftar box was for 630 rupees, which is minimal. But यहाँ पे quantity बहुत कम है. So we just
Yeah.
have halim, we have cutlet, we have 2 beda roll, we have custard and 2 dips.
That's it. I feel like it's so less. मतलब ये एक इंसान के लिए भी बहुत कम है. I mean, if they're fasting for an entire day, you're just gonna give them like 3 items. But let's not judge that. I personally love Persian Darbar's food. I think we have grown up just having that kapsa rice. Yes, that's literally what we have at Persian Darbar. हमारी fan following बहुत crazy है for that. We did try their iftar box last year, but it was completely different. ये वाला कुछ अलग लग रहा है हमें. And what do you want to start with?
I think beda roll.
Okay, let's go. We'll have one, na?
Cheers. Oh, it's not beda roll. It's shahi roll.
It's not beda roll. It's a white chicken filling roll. मम्मी जैसे घर पे चिकन सैंडविच बनाते हैं वैसा. I like it, but I really like it. I want like 7 to 8 of this. It's so good.
Yeah, it's
तुझे
good. नहीं
ठीक
मतलब
लगा?
मेरे लिए ठीक है. It's not that great.
Okay. भाई चलो तेल में लत पत है. Like my nutritionist is not going to be happy with today's meal at all. This is basic kebab. इसके अंदर मुझे आलू दिख रहा है. There's like carrot and chicken. Let go. Nice.
Russian cutlet supremacy.
This one is so much better than the Shalimar one. This is just hitting right. It just has a lot of oil. मतलब मेरी उंगलियां मेरे मुंह में मुझे समझ रहा है कि वो तेल है. Because I'm just not used to having it. अभी थोड़ा मेरा health journey चालू है. But taste is bang on. I love it. Quantity is very less.
I think ये एक जन के लिए perfect है.
Yeah.
But इसमें fruits नहीं है, खजूर नहीं दिया है
खजूर
आपने,
fruits,
सारी
drink
dishes-
नहीं है. Nothing like.
600 रुपए में इतना ही मिलेगा.
Next up is Halim, जो ये नहीं खाती है. Do you still not try at all?
No.
So basically ये मटन से बना होता है and she doesn't have mutton that much, so I'm gonna still try it because I don't mind. Nice. I like it. Yeah, it's good. It's good. I was gonna say it does have a little bit of muttony taste and aroma, but it's not. I think for Halim lovers, this is like a decent option. It's not one of the best that I've had because जब आप मोहम्मद अली रोड जाते हो वहाँ का हलीम is just bang on, it slaps. It's not as good as that, but it's not bad too.
Okay.
How much would you rate this?
I think it's a 3 out of 5.
Is it?
It's decent. Like it's not bad. But मतलब काम चला हुआ है. It's nice. The flavors are nice. मैं custard खा लेती हूँ, कोई बात नहीं. अभी तक मेरा sugar diet.
I do love the taste of everything inside.
The caramel pudding, caramel custard is so caramel custardy.
Is it authentic?
मस्त है ये. Yeah.
I'm a big time caramel custard fan. It's one of my favorite sweets.
And ये बहुत अच्छा है.
And मुझे ऐसे नहीं पसंद है रसगुल्ला गुलाब जामुन और ये सब. I like this. I think I love the taste of everything inside. I would totally repurchase this because I don't anyway eat fruits in iftar, so I don't mind this at all. However, I feel like the quantity is slightly less considering the price point. The quality of food was also not bad. It's nice. It's average. I would say not amazing. I think for me personally, it would be like a 3 on 5.
Same. 3 on 5 for me as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
अच्छा है. I would reorder.
Yes.
खाना अच्छा
Reorder
है.
for the cutlet, right?
Yeah, for the cutlet actually. For the cutlet, for the caramel custard as well.
So इसका ये मानना है कि ये जो कटलेट है it's as good as the bhatiaras that they make. It is very authentic. उसके अंदर ज़्यादा आलू है, कम चिकन है. That's
true.
she
This is
likes.
the cheap version of Russian cutlet. जो usual Russian cutlet होता है उसमें ज़्यादा चिकन होता है. But this is the authentic Russian cutlet that I like. क्योंकि
Yeah.
वो बहुत सारे आलू से बनता है and it's like covered in sevayas.
And also a lot of oil.
Yes.
Yeah.
I love that. I love everything unhealthy.
Let's move on. Next up we have the Badshahi Iftari Sandook by Beroz Biryani और उसमें हमें मिले हैं
नूरानी खजूर, मुर्ग शोरबा, हलीम विद कुलचास, नम कबाब, मुर्ग समोसा, रॉयल बिरयानी, शीर कुरमा and finally गुलरोश.
Wow, that's a lot of stuff and I love the packaging. सब कुछ अलग-अलग box packaging में आया है. This is Beruz का signature. They will always give you like a water bottle with the biryani and they will always give you gulab jamun. They've added gulab
गुलाब
jamun.
जामुन है अंदर.
That is like
बिरयानी
their
के साथ.
classic. So I'm glad that they've retained their style and taste. It's just a lot of stuff. And how much is this for?
It's for 1500.
That's a little expensive, but considering the amount of food and the varieties, I don't think I might. I feel like it would have been just like 1200-ish and would be perfect.
कुछ
But
भी.
nevertheless, let's start. I am starving. Even though I'm eating, I'm still just not. मतलब मेरा मन नहीं भर रहा है. So पहले कबाब्स ट्राई करें कि समोसा ट्राई करें?
भाई मुझे तो है एक ही बात का नशा, अगर सामने दिख जाए समोसा.
तू कबाब कर, मैं समोसा करती हूँ.
So everything has come with their own dips, which is amazing. कि you don't have to think कि किसको किस में डाल के खाना है. So I'm going in with the naam kebab.
And I'm going with the samosa.
कबाब का टेक्सचर बहुत अलग है. It's very
सीख कबाब.
सीख कबाब में नहीं, सीख प्लस सॉसेज टेक्सचर है इसका.
समोसा काफ़ी अच्छा है.
Very unique. I've never had a kebab like this. I don't know if it's even correct to make a kebab like this because it's a very nuggetty, sausagey texture. But I like it. The dip is also amazing. What about the samosa?
It's really nice. It's really authentic.
It's
Kafi
better than
अच्छा.
what we make at home.
No. We are not comparing outside food to घर का खाना.
I love how they are like this tiny.
Yeah,
So
एकदम
cute.
perfectly बैठे हैं वो.
Yeah.
Can I have the kebab?
I love the crunch and I love the mildness. It's not overpowering. It's just doing its thing silently.
Is this mutton?
No, it's not mutton. Let's move on.
क्या खाना पसंद करोगी आप? बिरयानी?
Yeah, I think let's try biryani. I'm gonna have biryani after so long. I'm so happy.
Also, they also give you cutlery. So
Yeah, they will always give you cutlery. They will always give you like a mouth freshener. I don't
And
know if they
इनमें
have
dates
it.
भी थे. So
Amazing. So I've never tried their biryani before. but I know it's one of those famous biryani places that you have to try once at least to make a decision. And she's not a biryani person.
या मैं क्रिटिक नहीं हुआ, मेरा मत सुनना तुम लोग.
I love biryani. I think thank God that I'm born in a Muslim family. I love biryani.
मैं कमेंट नहीं कर रही हूँ.
I'm going to take another bite to understand कि क्या हुआ, because कुछ तो हुआ.
एसेंस है बहुत.
Yeah, the kevda.
मेरे केवड़ा में नाचे वो.
The kevda essence is very overpowering. मुझे नहीं पसंद आई बिरयानी honestly. Like I feel like Blinkit Bistro की बिरयानी ज़्यादा better है जो मैंने दिल्ली में खाई थी.
वाओ.
नहीं मज़ा आया.
सेम, मतलब हमें एसेंस उतना नहीं पसंद है, सो नॉट फॉर अस.
I feel मसाला भी बहुत कम है. बहुत ज़्यादा ही ब्लैंड है. मतलब थोड़ी स्पाइसी, थोड़ी चटपटी, थोड़ी मसालेदार होगी तो मज़ा आएगा.
नहीं, मैंने खुद से ही माइल्ड वाली मंगाई है एंड नॉट स्पाइसी बिकॉज यू डोंट ईट स्पाइसी. देयर वाज एन ऑप्शन वेयर यू कुड सेलेक्ट स्पाइसी एंड हैदराबादी
बिरयानी में भी स्पाइस. Okay, there were types.
या
Fine. I think we are going in with Halim. This is Halim and they've given us kulcha. Halim के ऊपर तो एक पूरी तेल की तरी है. If I could just show it to you guys, like it's this.
प्लीज यार.
It's that bad. Okay, let's transfer the oil. My dad is going to be so happy. There's like so much Halim today.
But he's really picky about his Halim.
Okay, you're not gonna taste it, right? I am going in with the naan. मेरे को देखने में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ये.
The kulcha is really soft. It's like pita वाला
Smells भी बहुत अच्छी है.
consistency.
Wow,
Oh my god. Beroz, what a Halim.
it's really good. You have to. सच में it's not mutton at all. I swear it's good. Please, you'll love it.
Wow, Michiri no.
It's so authentic.
Wow, nice.
मेरे को भी Halim नहीं खाया.
No, but like the whole naan and this thing, isn't it reminding you of our childhood weddings that we used to attend? जिसमें वो लोग ऐसे वाटी में अपने को सालन देते थे एंड नान देते थे.
बहुत अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा.
It's actually very nice. I have not tried something like this. इसका बहुत ही unique, distinctive taste है. With the naan, it's so comforting. Oh my god, it's really nice. I was
For someone that does not
expecting
eat mutton, इसमें mutton का smell नहीं है.
that. Behruz has done better Halim than Persian. I don't know what's up. Okay, I think हमारे पास बचा है अभी सिर्फ ये
Chicken
शोरबा.
shorba and we have shawarma. The
Chicken shorba. Oh, we've never had like a soup vibe ever for iftar. So I don't know what I feel about this, but let's still give it a try just for the sake of it. ये तो मेरे चिकन सूप जैसा लग रहा है.
भाई मैंने जैसे ही खोला वैसे ही मैंने बोला ये तो इसका सामान है. इसमें भी रोज एसेंस है क्या?
नहीं. I don't know. I feel like उसको प्लास्टिक का स्मेल आ
हाँ,
रहा है
हो
उसमें
सकता
से.
है.
Because it might have been hot when they poured it in. तो अभी वो थोड़ा प्लास्टिक की अरोमा आ रहा है मुझे इसमें से. I don't think I can have this. नहीं, not this one for sure.
So that calls for shawarma.
Oh, we have शीर कुरमा. लाइफ में पहली बार हम ईद के पहले शीर कुरमा खाएंगे.
Shit, sorry मम्मी.
This is fun. Oh, ये तो काफी गाढ़ा है. Like look at the सेवई and all. It's very like gooey. बहुत.
It's very halimi.
Yeah, it's very halimi. Like इतना सेवई क्यों डाला है?
रुक जा, कमेंट मत कर, रुक जा.
It's not bad. It's too sweet for me.
Same.
But
Not bad.
Yeah, it's not bad at all. I do think it comes very close to what sheer kurma in general is. I would not say that they did a bad job with it, but I think सेवई बहुत ज़्यादा हो गई है तो वो गट्टे बन गए हैं एंड ड्राई फ्रूट भी थोड़ा कम है. आई थिंक हमारे घर का शीर कुरमा इज़ द बेस्ट एवर, बट आई वुड नॉट.
I think हमने पूरे वीडियो में सिर्फ यही बताया कि हमारे घर का खाना कैसे बेस्ट है and how our mother cooks the best food, but
I
she
think-
genuinely does, yaar.
If you had to just re-eat one dish from this, what would it be?
I think Halim.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Okay, I'm going to give you a Halim. I think definitely that would also be my pick. The Halim with naan is just
Too good.
यार मुझे सबसे डिसअपॉइंटिंग चीज लगी बिरयानी. मतलब बेरूज बिरयानी इज फेमस.
बेरूज बिरयानी की बिरयानी ही अच्छी गई
अच्छी
थी.
गई
What
थी.
irony.
So yeah, I think that was my least favorite. My most favorite would be the samosa and the halim. I think let's rate it.
I think I would give it solid 4 and 5. It's not bad. It's really not bad. For the price point, it's really nice. It's very filling.
Yeah.
It's more than filling for like 2 people. 2 लोग से ज़्यादा लोग खा सकते हैं इसमें.
Yeah.
So I think अगर तुम लोग डिवाइड करोगे तो
हार्डली कुछ कंट्रीब्यूशन आएगा. इवन आई फील टेस्ट वाइज मुझे सब कुछ बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई थिंक बिरयानी में अगर स्पाइसी वाला ऑर्डर करते हो शायद वो भी पसंद आती. फॉर मी ऑल्सो इट वुड बी लाइक अ 4 on 5.
कॉपी करती है. And finally we have Beirut.
This was the most expensive iftar box. This is worth 1700, so it better be good. And this one came with hummus, pita bread, seasonal fruit bowl, assorted dates and nuts, traditional baklava, harissa chicken kebab, adana kebab, chicken kapsa rice, and that's it. मुझे ऐसे लग रहा है कि इसमें टाइम पास वाली चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा डाल दी गई है, जैसे nuts हो गया, and then these olives and stuff. मतलब ये एक्स्ट्रा. इसमें अगर तुम कुछ और 1-2 स्टार्टर डाल देते तो मज़ा आ जाता. But I think the presentation is really nice. It has like a really cool presentation and everything is in their respective bowls. I love Beirut ka hummus. So let's see. Are we going in with the hummus? She already went in with the fruits.
फ्रूट में अलग टेस्ट है.
What do you mean?
I don't know what I mean, but there
Let
is
me
just
try.
some taste. इसका नहीं, watermelon का.
चल रहा है वाटरमेलन को दूसरे फ्रूट का डाल दिया होगा एंड उससे वो टेस्ट पकड़ लिया. पर ठीक है, फ्रूट से जज नहीं करेंगे गाइस. फ्रूट्स मतलब
फ्रूट्स तो फ्रूट्स होता है ना, मतलब उनको बनाना थोड़ी होता है, उनके अंदर का टेस्ट होता
yeah. Should we go in with the hummus?
है. Yes, yes.
I have taken the pita with इतना कम. She loves hummus to some other level.
I love Beirut का hummus to another level. Oh my god.
It's so good. Nice, मजा आया. ऐसा लग रहा है अभी हम कहीं बाहर बैठ के खा रहे हैं. It's like the
Dubai.
olive. It's giving me Saudi. Because Saudi में they used to give us so many olives. Let's go in with the kebab.
I think that's mutton.
Yeah, I think so too. It doesn't have very muttony smell. It's nice. It's very light. It is flavorful. Yeah. But इसके ऊपर उन्होंने चटनी कुछ भी नहीं दी है, which is something that I'm not liking.
Oh yeah.
Please give your dips and stuff also. चटनी हम क्या घर पे बनाए इफ्तार बॉक्स मंगाने के बाद?
नहीं, hummus में डुबा के खाओ.
ठीक है, Seek is nice, not the best. I think I've had better.
Okay, let me try the chicken.
Nice.
Chicken अच्छा.
Very smoky flavor, very flavorful. Otherwise also soft chicken है, light feel है. ऐसा लग रहा है कि महंगी जगह से मंगाया है. That's the vibe.
That's the way Mahi way.
But hummus, bro. The hummus.
I think I will reorder this for the hummus again and
No,
again.
just order the hummus, bro.
₹50 कट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह.
ये हुई ना समझदार वाली बात. इसीलिए ये बड़ी बहन है और मैं छोटी बहन हूँ.
We have kapsa rice that I'm very excited to try. I love kapsa rice. इतना कि देखो मुझे एक्सेंट मारनी पड़ी but I love it. मेरे को ज़्यादा ऐसी फ्लेवर नहीं लग रहा है इसमें, मतलब मसाला कुछ है ही नहीं.
But that is
That
the
is kapsa
authentic
rice.
kapsa rice.
Okay. Let's see. तो चिकन लिया ही नहीं है.
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है चावल में हल्दी डाल दियो और तेल डाल दिया और चिकन डाल दिया.
कुछ भी है ही नहीं इसमें टेस्ट.
बेरूट वाले हमारे घर पे और मेरी मम्मी के हाथ का कब से खिलाऊंगी ना तुम लोग फ्लैट हो जाओ.
No, but it's so Light. It's very light. It's giving expensive again. So Beirut is like authentic Middle Eastern food. So which is why their kapsa is also very light, and that's how we used to have in Saudi also. It used to not be like masaledar and spicy and this and that.
True. I think the entire variety is giving clean, not too oily,
Yeah.
expensive.
Yeah.
Plus the
Quality
packaging.
ingredients. Everything is just giving like bougie. I like it.
प्लस उनका पैकेजिंग भी काफी अच्छा है. इट्स वेल मेंटेन्ड. मतलब हर चीज अलग अलग.
To even eat it's so like easy.
Yeah,
मतलब हम लोग
segregated
ऐसे
है.
घूम रहे हैं. It's so convenient. So I think good one.
प्लस इसमें फ्रूट्स आए हैं, इसमें डेट्स एंड नट्स आए हैं. दैट इज व्हाट मेक्स लाइक अ
Complete iftar box. And they've also given baklava, which is their famous. Let's try that.
इसी के लिए रुकी थी ना तू.
नहीं, I'm not a baklava person.
मुकबंग बहुत रोज है उसमें.
No,
नहीं है.
नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा.
इसके ऊपर मेरे अलमरा की क्रीम डाल के खाऊंगे ना.
Dead. बहुत अच्छा है. I like it. I think it's worth the price. So मुझे लगता है कि ये लोग ने हमको सब्जी तरकारी दी है, इसके बजाय कुछ और दे देते तो मजा आता. It's just
But
like
that is-
beetroot and olives, but even that is important.
वो लोग वो देते ही है. आई थिंक ब्रो पैसा लो, क्वालिटी दो.
और क्वांटिटी भी दो.
बहुत अच्छा है. आई वुड रीऑर्डर एंड आई वुड गिव इट अ 5 out of 5. फुल मार्क्स फॉर यू.
That was like a without intimation thing. But I think for me, I do like it. I might order again, and for the rating, I think I would give it like a 4.5 on 5.
2.5.
क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि खजूर और ऑलिव्स में तुमने हमारे बहुत पैसे खा लिए. सो उसके बजाय कुछ और देते तो मज़ा आता. Great! Value for money. 100%. I think we have a clear winner.
Wow, yeah we do.
So Beirut is the clear winner. The most expensive iftar box is actually the best iftar box.
I think after Beirut, I'm going to order Persian Darbar. I think it's nice for the minimal amount, and I would want to like re-eat the kebab and the
yeah.
custard. वो काफी अच्छा था. But if I have money and मुझे पता है कि मैं उतना spend कर पाऊंगी एक दिन में, 1700 is a lot.
A lot.
But I feel like ठीक है, मतलब if you want to treat yourself once in a month, अगर तुमने रमजान में किसी एक दिन randomly तुमने मंगा लिया, amazing for your family,
Yeah.
amazing for your stomach at least. हमें पता है कि इसमें खराब ingredient नहीं होगा, गंदा तेल नहीं होगा.
Yeah, so
What we're
basically if you
consuming.
want to have like Middle Eastern iftar box, definitely go for Beirut. If you want to have a Mughlai iftar box, definitely order Persian Darbar. Those would be our top picks, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know आप लोग कौन सा iftar box usually prefer करते हो from other brands, and you would love to try them too. And from this video, which one are you ordering next? Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to stick around. Bye.